So now let's take a look at the Power BI interface. This is where we left off in the last class. Now, the moment you start up Power BI, you see a screen that looks like this. Okay, so what do we have on this screen? Of course, here we have the file menu, which you are used to. Okay, most Microsoft software have similar features to this. Then you have the ribbons here. You have the home ribbon, the insert. You click any of these tabs, corresponding ribbon opens up. Okay, that's not new to any one of us. Then on the left side, we have the various views. These are various views. These are if you click each one, it opens up a different view. Okay, this is the reports pane. You click that, it opens up the reports. Because we have not created any report, that's why it's showing this now. You see here it's saying add data to your reports, because without data, you really cannot create reports. So the reports view right now, the canvas is empty. There's nothing on it right now. Okay, so later on we'll begin to work with Power BI. You'll see what it looks like by the time it's populated. Then next we have the table view. Okay, this is where you have your data. After importing data, the data are usually on this table view, which used to be called the data view. Then we have the model view. The model view shows you something that look like the thumbnails for the various data sets, and also the relationship between them. Okay, so we are going to deal with all this, so don't bother, we'll get there, you understand. But the main thing you should know about this model view is that it shows you the relationship between the different tables, the different data sets. Then we have the DAX query view. Okay, there's what we call DAX. That's the sort of programming language of Power BI, data analysis expression. So we're going to look at DAX. There's no problem about that. So these are the four major, the four views you have, okay, where you do your work. Then on the bottom, at the bottom here, when you are on the report view, you see the page tabs here, okay? Like this report now, there's just one page, just like you have Excel sheets, right? Then on the left here, of course, you can switch between the desktop view and the mobile view. Okay, if you click on mobile, it shows you what the report would look like on a mobile phone. Okay, clicking desktop switches you to the desktop view. That's how the report will look like on a computer, on a normal desktop computer or laptop. Now, on the right-hand side, you see a number of panels here. Here you have the visualization. The main item here is the panel, the panel where you have your visualizations. These are the various visualizations you can use to create reports. Okay, then you have filters. This is where you work with your filters. If you remember what filters are used for in Excel, when you are doing cross tabulation, if you remember what you do with filters when working with pivot tables, okay, the function here is the same. By the time we start working with it, you will understand it. But just know that this is where you create your filters. Then on this last panel here, okay, the moment you add data sets, Power BI will display data sets here and show you the fields of the data set. So you could pick these fields from there to populate your reports. Okay, so that's a general overview of the Power BI screen or Power BI window or Power BI interface. Okay, so that is it. So the next thing we are going to do is um, I'll send you instructions regarding the data we are going to use for our next class. All right, so we see we'll continue from there in our next class. Good day.